What's up everyone, my name's Nick and welcome back to NeuMo. Alright, today we're going to jump straight back into a Bitcoin chart. So it is a Saturday and we've actually just broken resistance here, which is massive for Bitcoin. So we had a massive resistance and we got a daily candle close too, which is all just really bullish just here. So this here, a daily candle close, which is amazing for the bull run. So now, as trading goes, and as the saying goes, previous resistance being this here, your 42K level, should now become support. So on that basis that we just had a daily candle close above this range, which everyone's been banging on about and which we've been stuck in, the sandbox as everyone calls it. So we're out of it now. Well, for the meantime anyway. Also, as you can see, I've drawn on here, we're in a massive cup and handle. That's what I see. We bottomed out. Let me just jump on a 4 hour for you guys. So yeah, looked like, as you can see, I drew my arrow. I thought we were going to drop down to 36. That didn't happen. And actually, I did place a trade right here at your 38K level. When I was watching it, we did get a small bullish divergence on the charts. So yeah, I did go for a long there, and it worked out really well, which was great. I did take profits though, just so everyone knows. So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, I did place a long here. I took profits up here, and then we I took profits there. We pulled back, and I actually entered another long here at 40K, which I'm still in right now. And we have broken up. I was on, and the reason I did that, I'll explain. We're in a falling wedge, which is bullish. As you can see, I've drawn here. This here is a rising wedge. And generally your target from that is going to be the bottom of the wedge, hence why 36K to me was really important. We didn't get there. Yet again, another really positive sign. So we didn't take out the lower lows here. Get the trusty old paintbrush again. So we didn't take those out. We did set a higher low, and now we've just set a higher high. All of that being super bullish. So where to now? As you can see, I have already drawn this here, and your technical target, I did go over this before, but out of this range, out of the cup and handle, from our breakout, it's going to be about 51K. And also in saying that, because I have seen some other traders calling this a massive flagpole, yet again another bullish indication, but they measured it like this, from here to here, and then up. And they measured that, yeah. So it all works out to be very similar. Around your 51, 52K level are going to be the targets for the next leg up, which is just super exciting. Super, super exciting. So yeah, look for that. So look for maybe even I'll just change this. So broke up. So from here, we very well could just go bam, bam, and then straight through, back up through. Something like that now looks quite possible, which is yet again super bullish. So when we're talking about longs, I'll actually get rid of that now. Nice little stuff. But yeah, if we're talking about long positions or anything, I'll just put some in that. And yet again, this is not financial advice at all. Leverage markets are very risky. But in this would actually be not a bad trade, because yet again, we did break the resistance. We had a daily close above it, which now should symbolize that is our new support. So from here, you could literally, I would personally do it like this. But, oh, sorry. There we go. So that there would be something like your trade target. You may not even need that big of a stop, to be honest. That's just me being safe, because that's just how I like to trade. But yeah, you might be able to get away with something like that, to be honest, provided that 42K holds. I mean, it's a nice 7-to-1 risk reward, which is crazy. But yeah, so that's a trade that I'm actually in one as well. Mine's from here up to here. And also in saying that, my trade could have actually been quite bad just based on the fact that we are approaching resistance. So normally you'd probably actually think about shorting here, but under the, like I said, every other indicator is super bullish. We weren't breaking lower lows. We're now on our run to make higher highs. So to me, it was just, and I saw a few different bullish patterns playing out, and that's why I put a long in. And yeah, it's in profit, I think 100% at the moment, which is really nice. I also have one on Polkadot, Cardano, and Ethereum. So I've got 4 trades on right now, actually. And yeah, they're all in profit, which is really nice. So yeah, I'll be looking at taking profits here and exiting my trade about 50k, depending where we get the rejection. And for, yeah, so that's all really positive. Now let's jump into our funding rates. Right now it's actually positive across the board. Negative on Ethereum on some, so it's quite mixed, but it is positive. Generally that's not a good thing, but yet again, as I said, we've broken such a major resistance now, which flips support, and a lot of people probably know that. Hence why there's probably a lot of longs coming in now. All right, so guys, just finally, I'm just going to run through the fear and greed index, or the indicator. At the moment, we are very greedy, which is, as I said, we just broke major resistance. I think a lot of people probably see the upside here, as I do. But yeah, it is something to just keep in mind and be a bit wary of. But yeah, our targets from here, as I said, we've got these ones here. I'm just going to delete this for a sec. We've got these here. And then if we do zoom out, I'll go back on the daily to make it look a little better. Yeah, so out of here, I have seen others as well, just saying we're just going to pretty much shoot straight up to 65 from here. Hey, that'd be awesome, but I just know we've got a lot of resistance coming out. But you never know what's going to happen. And yeah, well, that's all for today, guys. And yeah, happy trading, and hope everyone's making money out there, and take care and be safe. See you later.